Hello, Scorpio! Salamat sa pagbisita o salamat sa pagbabalik. Ito po ang iyong Sun, Moon, Rising Sign ng Venus General Reading para sa sign ng Scorpio. Salamat sa pagbabalik. Kunin niyo lang po kung hindi nakarelate kayo, tapon niyo hindi. Kung hindi nakarelate, okay lang yan. Maaring ang susunod na reading ang siyang makakarelate tayo. Pero naniniwala ako may dahilan kung ba't tayo napadpad dito. Unang-una, core energy. Nice. This is Ten of Cups. Life well lived. Ooh, nice. Perfect. Two of Cups. Magandang clarification to agad sa core energy mo. This is Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups is a partnership that is destined. You may have some differences, magkaiba man kayo, tingnan mo half man siya, and I think human yung isa, pero this is a partnership that has been tested by time. Magkaiba kayo pero parang swak na swak, and you can see looking towards the future silang dalawa. Good partnership, maaaring may sinubok sila, nakakita na sila ng rainbow ngayon, dating nakaranas ng hindi maganda, pero 'di ba parang merong rainbow after the rain. So ngayon nakikita na nila yung rainbow after the rain. This is a perfect partnership. Magkaiba man sila pero swak na swak ang kanilang pagsasama dahil na they can stand the test of time and they can do the best things well together. Tapos, clarification nun, this is Two of Cups, partnership, reunion. Pwede din naman na iba sa inyo, kung hindi nakaka-relate sa sinabi ko na perfection in partnership, pwede din naman na darating sa punto na parang mamimit mo na yung soulmate or twin flame connection mo. This is a good card about partnership. Pwedeng twin flame, 'di ba? May chaser, may runner, 'di ba, sa twin flame connection. Pwedeng dati you've been running all your life from the person na alam mo na may connection kayong kakaiba pero tumatakbo ka, runner ka kasi parang iniiwasan mo pwedeng kaibigan mo yung tao na yon o pwede din naman na hindi ka pa handa. So ito, at this point with the Two of Cups and Ten of Cups here, it is pagkakataon para mag-meet na kayo ulit. Kumbaga, destiny will do its magic. Ganon. So, eto namang tower. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nasa relationship na alam mo matagal na hindi na siya nagwo-work. And there is this person na, yun nga, yung twin flame, yung sinasabi ko kanina, siya yung hinahanap ng puso mo, aminin mo man o hindi. Pwede din na hindi siya yung dahilan ng hindi siya dahilan or hindi siya third party para um, mawasak yung current na relationship mo. Tower 2 yung nandito. Pwedeng hindi siya yung dahilan, pero sadyang gumagawa yung pagkakataon or yung destiny para magkita kayo ulit. With the change here, ito, ano to, death card to. Pwedeng death of an old self, death of an old relationship. You will be free from a relationship that has been tying you, that is making you feel alone. Pero kung tatanungin ka actually yung current relationship mo, it's something that means a lot to you. Hindi sa hindi mo siya mahal, pero na, 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 na stuck ka na lang sa isang pagkakataon na stuck ka na lang sa isang relasyon na hindi naman nagwo-work. And there is this person na talaga namang parang gumagawa ng um, ways, universe, para magkita kayo ulit. Tingnan mo to, Ten of Cups. Parang ito na yung kung saan at peace, kung saan napapalagay ang puso mo, ibibigay yun sa'yo ng universe. That is the change that is happening to you right now. Tingnan mo si Snow White, natutulog siya. So, Ang sumunod pa niyan, Six of Pentacles, there will be an equal power dynamics, equal power relations, and clarifying yung Two of Cups, this Tower. After the Two of Cups is this Tower, there is a breakthrough moment. Breakthrough, may wawasak eh. Pwede kasing titigil ka na kaka-overthink, palalayain mo na yung sarili mo. Ayaw mo nang makarating sa punto ng analysis paralysis. Ayaw mo nang matenga sa kakaisip na parang something is not right. Something is not right and I want to break free and I want to um, do something for a life well lived. Tignan mo to. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups sa isang deck. Ten of Cups. So, double Ten of Cups, which is emotional fulfillment. This is a strong affirmation na you are moving toward the twin flame. You are moving toward the person na yung love of your life mo talaga. This is such a good reading, Scorpio, kasi um, ikaw yung may pinakamagandang reading so far. Kasi having the Ten of Cups, doble pa, magkaibang deck. It's an affirmation na you are moving towards somebody na talaga namang mapapanatag ang iyong kalooban. Tapos, nandito pa kanina yung si Snow White nga, nandyan pa siya sa taas. It's a death of an old self, death of a relationship, pero it's something that is preparing you sa isang magandang kahihinatnan. Puwedeng mapapalaya ka na, 'no? Mapapalaya ka na sa isang mapaglimita. You are on the journey towards pagbabago, and there is reunion, there is a spark that will be lit within you. Um, may fire eh, may fire within you. Somebody will take action, you will take action. Tapos yung tower pa, parang darating na yung moment ng sampal na universe, darating na yung moment na unexpected moment. Pero in one way or another, you saw it coming eh. Yung paglaya mo. Okay. Queen of Wands. I'm not sure if this is a person around you na ang Queen of Wands kasi reverse, she knows what she wants, pero may pagka-demanding siya. So, I'm not sure if this person will push you to the edge to a point na ikaw na mismo yung aalis. Kung babae ka, pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng in a same-sex partnership na demanding yung partner. Pero pwede din naman na, basta demanding tong energy na to. Pwede tong in-law eh, pwedeng ate ng partner mo. Pero, to clarify yung death is this card. So, the changes will be, yung parang may spark will be lit, may new action na darating, and it will be fueled by the rage of this person. Yung fire nitong tao na to, siya ang magfu-fuel nun. Pwede din naman na ikaw yun, pero I don't think si Scorpio yun. Kasi fire sign to eh. So, somebody around you has this energy of fierce, demanding, parang, ito gusto ko, ito gagawin natin. So, yung changes na implement mo sa buhay mo, I feel like, ma-drive nitong energy ng taong to. Doesn't have to be a lalaki, babae, pwedeng lalaki, pero basta yung energy niya, may pagka-demanding siya. So, pwedeng, ewan ko kung anong uutusan ka niya na, na layuan mo yung anak ko, yung ganun. Pwedeng tower moment, yun yung tower moment eh. May mag-uutos sa'yo na layuan mo yung anak ko, umalis ka na dito, ganyan-ganyan. Parang, ano ka, tataray-tarayan ka, pero yun yung magiging mitya para makabalik ka doon sa soulmate mo talaga or magiging mitya itong ugali nitong taong to na ah, mahanap mo yun talagang para sa'yo. I mean, masakit siya kasi tower moment, ito yung pwedeng tower moment eh. Mahal mo yung tao, yung karelasyon mo, pero there's somebody out there talaga na gustong gusto mo talaga. And medyo wala pa siya sa kamalayan mo, pero this March, pwedeng magsisimula yung journey mo towards this, yung Ten of Cups kanina, yung emotional fulfillment, and a life well lived. So, maganda siya. Kung may tower moment ka man ngayon na ipupush nitong taong to, na demanding, um, maaano mo, parang rejection is God's protection. Madadala ka sa something better. May mga kasasakit na mga sa pananalita, pero totally makakalaya ka na at magkakaroon na ng pagbabago around you. So, yung energy ng taong to, she will go out of her way to make changes. O pwede din naman siya nga, yung mag-drive o mag-fuel o magsisindi ng mitsa ba para magsimula ito yung spark para mailawan yung baga sa puso baga, mailawan yung flame, magkaroon ng flame sa puso mo na mag-take ng action at parang madala ka sa isang posisyon na mamimit mo, reunite ka sa love of your life. Ganda. Tingnan mo, tandaan mo to, 10 of Cups. Life will live. Parang perfection. Parang bliss. Yung maiisip mong pinakamagandang mangyayari sa romance, mangyayari siya. And it's bound to happen. Something is brewing, kumbaga, this March. And may mauumpisahan. Kung hindi man mangyayari yung pag-reunite or yung life will live this March, pwede na yung spark ano pa lang, parang mabubuhay pa lang within you yung spark na yon na parang, ah, it's time to take action. O, tas ito pa, somebody will take action. 4 of Pentacles reversed. Parang tapos na ako, sawang-sawa na ako sa apathy, sawang-sawa na ako sa patay malisya, sawang-sawa na ako for not taking action, sawang-sawa na ako nakakatingin lang sa mga nangyayari, kakaantay na may mangyari. I feel like magiging balanse na ang dynamics. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, masyadong mapagbigay, generous, at parang hindi siya na-reciprocate. Ngayon, with the 10 of Cups, you are in the journey towards yung ma-reciprocate na, yung totally na deserve mo. Yung bagay na bagay sa'yo. Parang happy ending. It's such a happy ending. Magiging happy ending kahit pa may tower dito, magiging happy ending. So, kuha tayo ng oracle card, advice ni universe o mensahe sa'yo ni universe. Anong kailangan mong gawin? Wow! Okay. Ganda na ito. Isa lang ang ibig sabihin nito. When love is no longer offered to the table, it's time to go. So it's time to free yourself. You are in the process of freeing yourself. The raven is a message of parang reminder for you to give yourself that unconditional self-acceptance. Forgive yourself for misgivings, but also, tandaan mo na hindi ka pwedeng bigay lang ng bigay. Kailangan you know how to receive. It's now time for you to receive. It's now time for you to walk away from situations na no longer serving you. Kasi, yun ang deserve mo. Bibigay actually sa'yo ni universe. It's time. It's time to leave the situation. It's time to leave the person. It's time to find that, yung life will live. It's time to build that hope. It's time to build that dream. It's time to build that future. So, yun. Iwan ko na yun doon. Salamat, Scorpio. Sa naman kita ulit. See you soon. Ako po si A. Bye-bye.